The hype, man.
Best part here, I have fruit. I'm from Mississippi. That's the shoe right there. And I bought it in Mississippi. Like 1 week, literally like 1 week after it came out.
That's just wow.
Yep.
All right, so what's good, YouTube? We in the building. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And you know, we back with another one. So, today, what I want to talk about is it's Atmos pack. You know what I'm saying? This past weekend, you know, we know the Atmos pack definitely released. Man, a lot of people took L's on these, man. It was crazy, man. As you know, I live in Chicago, so you know the camp life season is in full swing and full effect. And I'm glad it was, man, because it really gave the people that really wanted this shoe the opportunity to get this shoe, at least in my city. You know, I would love to hear how y'all did in, you know, y'all city, man, because I know this was a hard one to grab. You know, that sneakers life L was real. It definitely was. But you know, I don't want to talk too much about all that. You know, I hope y'all enjoyed the St. Alfred conversation, man. You know, about these, man, when they came out a couple years ago. I think it's funny how the hype just blew up, man. And you know, over Air Max 95s and stuff like this. I mean, I get it, you know, the Atmos collab, but I don't know, bro. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I think a lot of that has something to do about, like, you know, everybody's fear of Nike cutting back their production numbers. You know, all the exclusive stuff we supposed to have, and so all the hype beasts and everybody just jumping all over this. You know what I'm saying? Which is cool, to each his own. But, you know, yeah, I don't know. But enough of that. Let's get into it. So let's start with the Air Max 1s first. We got that red leopard tiger ass zebra pussy, you know what I'm saying, you know, the core on the motherfucking uppers, you know what I'm saying, plain Jane white midsole. We got that gum bottom. If you can see in the inside, that air bubble is green, man, which I thought, you know, Nike did a really good job of just keeping these, you know, they out there, they stand out there, but they nice and simple too, you know what I'm saying. I feel like, you know, this is one of those types of shoes that you can definitely, like, wear easily. You know what I'm saying? If you just keep it simple. You know, in my opinion, I'm probably doing all black, you know what I'm saying, and just let these do all the talking for themselves, man. The materials that they used on this, so this is 100% genuine cow hair. So, you know the motherfucking cows that be on the Chick-fil-A bag, the Chick-fil-A campaigns, they used all of him on these, man. Straight from Brazil. So yeah, man. You know, shout out to Brazil, man, for the quality. You know what I'm saying? Because these things are definitely nice, man. But that's the Air Max 1, man. A lot going on with them, but pretty simple, I must say, man. I mean, this was definitely my favorite of the pack. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite of the pack. So I'm really excited to rock these, man. That's just gonna be what it is, man. So, yo. Next up, we got the Air Max 95s, man. So apparently, man, these were dumb limited. I mean, a lot of spots in Chicago, man, when these were, you know, being released, these were, you know, done in a lot of raffles. I think only one place in the city released these, first come, first serve. Shout out to Nike Chicago. But I mean, these were dumb limited, man, which I think is interesting because, I mean, people really love Air Max 95s, but I mean, you know, I would think that, you know, Nike would kind of even the score. I wonder why these were as limited as they were. But you know, I was happy to have them. I will admit that, like, I'm not the biggest Air Max 95 fan. I just think that they're, you know, it's definitely a sporty shoe, a little, like, kind of bulky for me. But after, like, you know, further review, man, and really, you know, getting these things in hand, These have definitely kind of like changed my opinion a little bit, and I'm definitely feeling them a lot better, a lot more than I was in the beginning. Now the resale on these motherfuckers right here is abso-fucking-lutely ridiculous. I think I remember when these kind of first dropped on stock on the sneakers app. StockX had these going for like, I mean, you can get like $330 after the you know what I'm saying, after all the fees and stuff like that. Now when you look up a pair of these, man, you're looking at damn near $500, which I think is ridiculous. And especially when you consider that little video that I included in the beginning of the video, man. You know, my man's talking about how he paid $100 for these, man, just a couple of years ago. So that should just let you know how far we've come and where the hype has really, truly led us, man. If y'all getting y'all heads bust wide open and cracked open for these, man, shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. You're not even gonna wear this every day. You know what I'm saying? It's a cool shoe, but stop it. You know what I'm saying? So, this will be my second pick of the two. You know what I'm saying? I get the hype, you know, due to the limited nature of the shoe, but man, like this cow, you know, I just think that the cow print right here, you know, just really doesn't mesh and go in well with the rest of the prints on the shoe. And especially for it to be on the toe box, which is really a dominant like placement on the shoe, man, that can get real sticky real fast. So but other than that, man, I don't really have any gripes. I think you know, my kind of like my little mini poll, you know, it feels like everybody's feeling these just a little bit more than they feeling these things right here, man. But here you go, man. There you have it. You know, both pairs, man. You know, for those who like those official color codes, you know, on the Air Max 1, we got the wheat, sport red, and bison. You know what I'm saying? Killing them buffaloes out there. And for the Air Max 95s, we got the pony, sport red, and black. So, you know, that's it. There you have it. I'll give y'all a little quick look at the boxes, you know, the plain old black box. Now we know, you know, Nike, these shoes had like an alternate box, which, you know, had like the print of the two different shoes on there. And if you had that box, man, you paid right now. I ain't even gonna stunt. You know what I'm saying? But like, I think that might have been an Atmos exclusive, because no place, not even the boutiques that got these shoes in the city, actually ended up getting that box. So shout out to y'all if y'all actually got a chance to cop these with the actual special box, man. I know y'all eating good right now. But, you know, that's it for the shoes, baby. Let's close it out with the thoughts. So that's it, man. Overall, I think, you know, very dope shoes, man. I'm definitely excited and happy to have them. You know what I'm saying? This is Air Max month, man. You know, Air Max Day coming up on the 26th. You know, it's a big month for all of us, you know, Air Max lovers, man. And I'm definitely excited to have them, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's been real. That's it for your boy. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. I want to keep bringing y'all this fire. I want to keep going out there, you know, getting these exclusive kits for you. We definitely did the race. You know what I'm talking about? You know, as you the all-night camp out, man. So, you know, I definitely want to keep doing that and bringing y'all this content, man. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back at you with another one, baby. You already know how we rocking. Gang, gang. One.